Hello, my name is Rainer Hanekamp. This is Engineers with the latest updates from the Angular community every week. A special Q&A session with Thompson and Minko Gechev, that's the Angular product lead, took place. It was about Angular's strategy for 2025, and it was one question after the other. But here are the main takeaways. It is not 100% certain that SignalComponents will actually arrive.
SignalComponents get added besides low-level change detection. What other improvements perf-wise will we have?
Like, if there is a need for us to make more improvements, we will, but also, there is certain thresholds beyond which the performance is just fine. And we haven't had complaints about performance.
The Angular team wants to close the gap to the overall JavaScript ecosystem, and therefore compatibility with Vite is important. Now Vite is moving to Rolldown, and this is then also becoming a topic for Angular. But for us as developers, the main point of contact is always the Angular CLI and will always be. And about testing, the modern web test runner will replace Karma. That's still the plan. The question is more about the second supported testing framework, where it's currently between Jest or Vitest. Now, Minko mentioned that it is important to them that the tests run in the browser, and that speaks more for Vitest. Another interesting topic was Angular animations.
So yeah, we created the Angular animations package a long time ago, and since then, CSS evolved so much that having CSS and having to learn another DSL or another domain-specific language on top of CSS that you can use to express the exact same animations kind of over time becomes unnecessary.
And stay tuned because I have some updates coming. I can't say right now, but there's a small update coming for this. Can't talk about it though.
Coincidentally, Mathieu Riegler, 2 days later, posted a PR where Angular Material is dropping the dependency to Angular animations. We will see. In Angular 19.2, the resource function will receive streaming support. To put it short and extremely simplified, it kind of allows that the promise can emit multiple values. The resource function allows us to run asynchronous functions internally, and to the outside, the values are exposed as a signal. Resource function itself uses internally a promise, which means only one value is emitted, whereas Rx resource uses an observable, which means multiple values can be emitted. With the stream property, you create internally now a signal which can emit multiple times and pack it into a promise. To the outside, nothing has changed. We still get our value as a signal of a certain type or undefined, but internally we are not limited anymore to return just one value. For more details, you can watch the video clips from TechStack Nation, where Alex Rickerbo, Angular Framework Core, is explaining this new feature. And you can also read 2 articles from Manfred Steyer, where he is showcasing the streaming by implementing a chat feature. Next to that, also other features will arrive for 19.2. One of them is going to be template expression. And for a closer look, Igor Sedov has you covered with his high-quality animation videos. In other news, Tailwind CSS, a very popular CSS framework, was released in version 4. It comes with better performance, makes more use of native features, has a more simpler setup, and many other things. NX, an alternative to the Angular CLI, has released a series of blog posts where they are working on a new approach on how to significantly reduce the amount of the type checking phase in TypeScript. Quite often, that's a big chunk of the actual build time. And that's it. Wish you a nice week, and don't forget to watch the Angular Origins video on February the 4th. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.